Hello, everyone. Mrs. Charles here with Swing Low, Sweet Chariot. This recording is for fifth period. We will be starting right at the beginning, and we will go first time top line, second time bottom line, third time bottom line to the end. Be ready. You can use this as many times as you need to practice. Ready to go? Let's start. 1, gonna ride on a chariot grand to that great home in the sky. Gonna play in that heavenly band when I get there by and by. Gonna ride to glory, all dressed up in a golden gown. Gonna meet my maker, yes, my chariot's heaven bound. Go back to the beginning, follow line number 2, right here. 1, 2, 3. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Go back. Now we're going to sing the bottom line again. 1, 2, 3. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Third ending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming for to carry me home. And make sure that you end with a crisp consonant. It's home, not homa. Homa is wrong. We're popping it. Home. Very good. Happy practicing!